Hey everyone, this is Stephanie for The Balanced Singer. I'm so excited today because I get to announce our The Balanced Singer vocal warm-up series for you today. So it's online, it's live on our website, thebalancedsinger.com. We have a female soprano version for you. We have a male tenor version for you. And those warm-up series will guide you step by step through a warm-up that you need before you sing songs, before you're going on stage, and we will help you to not only get your vocal folds warmed up, but to also balance your voice. And we will show you in this series how to do it right and efficiently. Okay, so go to our website, thebalancedsinger.com. Go get your copy now. I'm sure it will be super helpful to you. And please stay in touch and let us know what you think. Okay? All the best to you. See you soon. Bye-bye.